In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to another project in Todoist. This is really useful when you've quickly added something to your inbox or the wrong project, and later realize it actually belongs somewhere else. Instead of deleting and recreating the task, you can simply move it, keeping all its details, comments, and due dates intact. First, open Todoist in your browser or app and navigate to the place where your task currently lives. This might be your inbox, or any project where you've already created the task. Take a moment to locate the specific task you want to move, so you're sure you're working with the right one. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that task, or click on it to bring it into focus. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, usually appearing to the right of the task. This 3-dot icon is your More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where Todoist keeps many of the task-specific actions like duplicating, deleting, or in our case, moving the task. After you click the 3 dots, a menu will appear. From this list, look for the option that says Move To. This wording might be followed by an ellipsis, which simply means you'll be choosing a destination next. Click on Move To. The moment you select Move To, Todoist will show you on-screen prompts to guide you through the rest. Typically, you'll see a list or a search bar where you can choose the project you want to move the task into. You can scroll through your existing projects or type the name of the project if you have many and want to find it quickly. Click on the project that should receive this task. If the project has sections or sub-areas, Todoist may ask you to pick exactly where within that project you want the task to land. Follow those prompts carefully and make your selection. When you confirm your choice, Todoist will move the task for you. The task will disappear from its original project or the inbox, and you'll now find it under the new project you selected with all its information preserved. That's all there is to it. Open the task's options with the 3 dots, choose Move To, and then follow the on-screen prompts to pick the new project. Once you get used to this, reorganizing your tasks across projects becomes quick and effortless.